Welcome back to Python for AI and Machine Learning. I am Dr. Azad Rasool. In this lecture, we are diving into Google Colab, a game-changing tool for your AI and machine learning projects. Whether you are just starting or looking to level up your skills, Colab allows you to code in Python, access free GPUs, and run powerful AI models in the cloud. No fancy hardware required. As a geospatial data scientist, I've used Colab for tasks like crop yield prediction and air quality forecasting. You will use it for similar real-world projects in this course. Today, we will set up your Colab environment, enable GPU and TPU acceleration, and run a simple AI ML script. By the end, you will be ready to train models using tools like TensorFlow and PyTorch right in your browser. Let's get started. Now, let's walk through setting up Google Colab step by step. To access Google Colab, go to colab.google.com or just write Google Colab and sign in with your Google account. To create a new netbook, click on New Netbook and start a Python project. You'll see a notebook with the cells for code and text. Try typing print hello Colab into a code cell and hit the play button. That is hello Colab. For check pre-installed libraries, we import TensorFlow as TF. Print TF version. To verify TensorFlow is ready. The version of TensorFlow is 2.18. To save the file in Google Drive, we just use Ctrl S and save it successfully. Follow along to create your first notebook. It is that simple. Accessing GPUs and TPUs in Colab. One of the Colab's biggest strengths is free access to GPUs and TPUs, which are crucial for training complex AI models. For enable GPU, go to Runtime, click on Change Runtime Type, and select GPU. Then save. To verify GPU access, in a code cell, run NVIDIA SMI and run it. If successful, the GPU name is persistence M, Coda version 12.4. To enable TPU as optional for TensorFlow heavy tasks, you can also choose TPU, which is great for large data sets. Runtime, change runtime type, and choose TPU. Save. To test it out, we try this TensorFlow script. Import TensorFlow as TF x equal TF dot random uniform once hour y equal TF matmul x for matrix multiplication and computation complete. The TensorFlow is not installed, so we install pip install TensorFlow. Now it is installed. Let's run the script again. With the GPU enabled, this runs much faster than on a CPU. Try it and see the difference. Running your first script in Colab. Import Pandas CD. Import Matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. Data equal PD dot data frame NDVI 4.2, 4.5, and 4.7. Health, low, medium, and high. PLT dot bar data use NDVI. Yeah, health. PLT dot title crop health analyze PLT dot show. Let's run it. The title crop health analysis NDVI and class low, medium, and high. This chart gives a basic visual of crop health. You will be building more detailed visualizations later in the course. Notice how Pandas and Matplotlib are already available. No installation is required in Colab. That wraps up your Google Colab setup. You have learned how to access Colab, enable GPUs and TPUs, and run your first script. Now it's your turn. Complete the coding exercise to build your first Colab notebook. Take the quiz to reinforce what you have learned. Post your notebook in the Q&A forum. I'd love to see your progress.